My husband pointed something out the other day, that acne and blackheads aren't the same thing. And while I know a lot about skin, this one made me pause because it turns out so many people get this wrong. So let's clear it up in a way that actually makes sense. And if you've ever treated your blackheads like acne, you might be making them worse. I'm not a dermatologist. I'm just obsessed with understanding skin properly, and this one surprised me. So this whole video started because my husband said, "Hey, you should do a video on acne." And I said, "But I just did one on blackheads and whiteheads. Aren't they the same thing?" He looked at me like I just said water wasn't wet. He was so sure they weren't. And honestly, even I wasn't sure anymore. So I did what any skin-obsessed person would do. I went down the research rabbit hole. And wow, the difference is bigger than I expected. If I was confused, I know a lot of people watching this will be confused too. So let's break it down together. The big misconception. Let's start with the myth I fully believed. Blackheads equal acne. Acne-prone skin equals you must have blackheads. Nope, not even close. What acne-prone skin actually means. Acne-prone skin isn't even a type of pimple. It's a pattern. It means that your skin is the kind of skin that loves to clog, get inflamed, form whiteheads, form deeper breakouts, and sometimes throw a tantrum for no reason at all. It's mostly influenced by genetics, hormones, and how your pores behave. Basically, your skin is that friend that overreacts to everything. What blackheads actually are. Blackheads are simply clogged pores that have opened up and oxidized. Oil plus dead skin cells get stuck. They meet oxygen and boom, they turn dark. They're not a hygiene issue and they don't automatically mean you have acne. You can have blackheads even if your skin is otherwise chill and unbothered. Think of acne-prone skin as the climate and blackheads as one specific weather event. You can have the climate without the storm, and the storm without the climate. Why we confuse them. Here's where it gets messy, because half the things we call blackheads aren't even blackheads. Sebaceous filaments, the great imposters. These little guys are totally normal. Everyone has them. They are part of how your pores move oil to the surface. They look like tiny grey dots, especially on the nose. They're not clogged, they're not acne, they're just pores doing their job. And yes, they come back no matter what you do. They're like the glitter of skincare. Once they're here, they're here. If you've ever squeezed a blackhead and it comes back in 2 days, congratulations, you've just squeezed a sebaceous filament. Why this mix-up causes chaos. When we confuse these things, we treat the wrong problem. People scrub their skin like they are sanding a deck. People use harsh acne treatments on totally normal pores. And people treat actual acne like they're just blackheads, which is way too gentle. It's like using a feather duster to clean a barbecue grill. The real difference. Once I finally understood this, everything clicked. Acne-prone skin equals a tendency. Acne-prone skin is basically, hi, I clog easily. Your pores fill up faster, your skin reacts strongly to oil changes, and your immune system loves to get involved, which is why acne gets red, swollen, and dramatic. Blackheads equal a symptom. A blackhead is just one specific thing. A clogged pore that opens up and oxidizes. It's not always inflamed, it's not always painful, and it doesn't automatically mean that you have acne. How they overlap. Many acne-prone people get blackheads. But not everyone with blackheads has acne. And not everyone with acne has blackheads. This is why two people can use exactly the same skincare routine and one clears up while the other one gets worse. Why this matters for your routine. If you treat blackheads like acne, you'll overdo it. If you treat acne like blackheads, you'll underdo it. And your skin will tell you loudly. If you're acne prone, you need ingredients that help prevent clogged pores and calm inflammation. Your skin needs structure, boundaries, and a little therapy. If you mostly have blackheads, you need ingredients that keep pores clear and reduce oxidation. Think of it as poor house cleaning, not warfare. If you have mostly sebaceous filaments, you need oil balancing, not blackhead removal. These aren't something you can permanently eliminate, just manage. They're like eyebrows, they'll always grow back. Different problems, different solutions. This is why your blackhead strip that you purchased from the chemist didn't fix your acne, and why your acne treatment didn't fix your blackheads. So was my husband right? Annoyingly, yes. Acne-prone skin is a tendency. Blackheads are a type of clogged pore. They overlap, but they're not the same. And once you understand the difference, you can finally treat the right thing. If you found this video helpful, or you have any questions at all regarding this topic or any others, flick me a comment down below. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.